back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Those of you that have already done so, thank you for subscribing. If you've not already done so, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. So this week's video, I am gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you my basic foundation routine. I'm gonna just have my eyeshadow as well, just so you see like a simple full face makeup and how I get my face ready just for a simple day out. It's not gonna be anything crazy. It's gonna be more simple looking, just because that's the look I'm going for. I wouldn't say natural, but I would say it's not, you know, over the top. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So first, I just want to moisturize my lips first with a little bit of Bliss Tax. And then after you moisturize your lips, you want to make sure that your face is moisturized. So I go in with after I come out the shower, when I'm getting ready, I put on my UFO, and then I go in with my vitamin C oil as well, just to make sure my face is moisturized. And I don't want to forget my skincare regimen out, simply because I have foundation on. And remember, the foundation is probably going to stay on for most of the day anyways. I'm going to go in with the CeraVe AM moisturizer, which has SPF in it, SPF 30. So now that I've moisturized my face and my lip, I'm gonna go ahead and get started and do my eyebrows and my eyes. So I have here the CoverGirl eyeliner in Espresso. So I'm gonna put the mirror closer so that I can see exactly what it is I'm doing. I have my MAC Studio Finish Concealer, and this also has SPF in it in NC 50. And I'm gonna use my MAC brush to kind of define my eyebrows a little bit more. Then I'm gonna take my Bling Beauty brush and I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of mesh everything together. Still in the blending process. So this is how it's looking. Everything will look better when we have our foundation on. So once this step is done, I like to go in with my eyeshadow palette. So today I'm gonna be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam. No matter what I do, this top just stays dirty. I hope, comment down below if you guys have similar issues. And it's like, it's not a wipeable like top piece, so if it gets dirty, that is what it is. So this palette, what I also like about it is it comes with its own little brush, which is awesome. Probably gonna go in with Mulberry and Sultry, which are like the basic colors in the palette. So these are the palettes. So I'm gonna be using this color Sultry on my lids and Mulberry on the whole eye, just to blend it. And I've already used like the concealer acts also like as like a third color, so I use the this tip of it and then I use this part to blend. So I'm going in with Mulberry first. Just gonna pack it on just like that. And then before I blend, I'm just gonna do the other eye as well. Now this is how I do my shadow, like if I'm really like in a super duper rush, you know. And then I'm gonna use the other side to sort of blend out that color a bit more. Just like gonna blend this side. Just like that. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do my lids with the color Sultry, which is like that bronzy purple color, but it's not too bold of a color. I feel like it looks simpler than like the bronze gold, and it blends more with Mulberry. Close my eye and go like that, just on the lip, just a little dab. And this will all come together once we do our foundation. And this is a simple look. So we've already done all the blending. Okay, so that's it for the eyeshadow. So we're gonna go ahead and move on to the foundation part. Guys, my skin, I still, you know, I still struggle with like my skin and stuff, and I do, like I said, the zinc has really helped me a lot with my skincare, as far as like helping me with blemishes and stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and move on to the foundation. So I'm gonna go in with my NARS foundation. This has got to be my favorite foundation of all times. It's full coverage. This is dark 3. It's a full coverage makeup, and I personally feel like it lasts like for a really long time. It gets the job done, and it's just, I really am feeling this foundation right now. So in the winter time, in the winter months, I tend to get a little bit lighter in complexion, and then in the summertime I tend to be a little bit darker. So right now we're in the winter, so of course I'm a little bit lighter because I'm not out and about in the sun, in the hot sun all day. So I'm gonna go ahead and just pump a few pumps right onto the foundation brush like so, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and like stipple across my face and do one side at a time. Of course, I'm not gonna touch my eyes simply because I don't want to mess up my already laid made eye cream eye makeup. I don't want to mess up my eye makeup. And like I said, because this is like a routine where it's not like crazy amount, you know, it's just a regular foundation routine, simple foundation routine. I don't want to go overboard. You really don't need a lot of this, guys, just to get the same effect. For some reason, I always do one cheek and then I do the next cheek and then I do my forehead. I don't know why I apply foundation that way. It's just always been so with me, and it's just kind of stuck with me. So comment down below how you guys apply your foundation. If you have like a particular pattern like to apply your foundation in. My lips are super duper dry, and that of course is expected because of the winter month and because we have to always wear our mask at work. So now that I like to bring it down a little bit just because my face is a lot lighter than my neck, so it makes finding a foundation that's like my complexion a lot harder. And my beauty blender, which of course is used as expected, and then I'm gonna go into my concealer pot and just get some products just to highlight under my eye. And I usually make this weird face just to get the concealer. everything sort of just like that. I'm missing a spot. There. Just do the same for the other eye. This highlights just to brighten up your face a lot more. Do the same on this side. Then we're gonna go down the bridge of the nose, just to give the nose a slimmer kind of look, and we'll blend all of that out right at the top of the lip, just like that. And we're gonna go ahead and blend all of that out. It looks kind of scary. Yeah, absolutely scary. Next, I have a product that's my absolute favorite brush. I got it off of Amazon, and I think this brush changes my highlight game totally. And that's this brush right here, and its texture is very, very unique. It's by e.l.f. It has the glass top and then, you know, the silver here, and it gets in there so well. So I go in with my Cover FX, my setting powder, just to kind of set my concealer. I don't do too much baking of the concealer, just because I'm not crazy about that look. And watch this, guys. When I put this here, oh my goodness, using this brush, everything just like seamlessly blends so well. See that? Blended well. And then we're gonna go on the bridge of the nose. We're gonna blend all of that out as well. It like buffs away, you know, everything, which I really, really like. So just going over the areas that I highlighted, and then when I'm done, I go ahead and with my powder brush and Styleworks powder brush, nothing fancy, and then I make sure I go over all the area, sort of like set my foundation. Just to make sure foundation is like really set in. Just like that. This is perfect. So everything is like clearly well blended in, as you can see. And then it's gonna look even more blended in when I spray the setting spray. Before we do that, I'm gonna go in with my MAC blush. This is Rosy Cheeks. It's a powder brush. And I am going to go in with my blush brush. This is Real Techniques. Just a little bit. I like to turn this way just to get like here. And I'm putting it on so you guys can actually see the product on camera. Just enough. But, you know, usually I might just tone it down. I might just tone it down a bit. And just, you guys can see that. I have my Caudalie setting spray. As you can see, I love this stuff, guys. 50 bucks for one container. It's 100 ml, 3.4 fluid ounces, and it is so amazing. I love what this stuff does for my face and for my skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and just spray this stuff all over. my face before. I like to do this before I do my lashes because then your face is wet.
So rather than wait for it to dry, I have my crystal fan from Amazon. So I just open it up, turn it on, speed 1, speed 2, speed 3, just to speed up the drying process a little bit. See how it makes my foundation just look so like practically flawless, and then it also helps with my eye makeup as well. So I use this just to kind of like dry up my face quicker. Back, and you can see like this is a natural like skin foundation routine. So then I'm gonna go ahead and put on my eyelashes by the Lily eyelashes. So I have the 3D mink eyelashes. This is Lila. I tend to gravitate more towards Lila and Miami. Those are my two favorite, and you know, they're the two best selling on the website anyway. So you have two options. You can use the power liner in clear or the power liner in black. I usually go for the black one. That's the one I like better than the clear one. I have my tweezers, my eyelash right over here. I'm gonna put my power liner, the black color one. So I went ahead and I lined my lips, and I'm gonna go in with my NARS lip gloss. Since this is a natural look, I'm just gonna go ahead and use something more in the nude family. But if I wanted to glam it up a little bit more, I could definitely use something that's more out there, but not today.